we are going to do a puppy. It's so fun!
Yes!
Hi, this is Veronica, speaking workshop teacher, and we're gonna show you a mini project that we're working on. Kids are explaining how to make it. So some of them, they are using a YouTube tutorial as an example to create their own tutorials, explaining how to make slime, or how to create a comic, or how to bake a cake. So the project works in 3 days. One of them is answering questions to narrow down the topic so they can decide what they really want to talk about. The second day is to work on the script and the dialogues to organize the information step by step. And third day is the report session. That's what you're gonna see today. So they are organizing in pairs, and sometimes in groups of 3. They bring all the ingredients, they organize the information, and they work on the vocabulary specific from the topic. So I hope you like it.
We decided to do a slime for the project of a speaking workshop. For your attention. Bye! Do you like it? This is my Christmas tree.